Hello everyone, another week has gone by and here we are again. It is Tablescape Tuesday. The Easter holiday is right around the corner and I thought I would continue to create another Easter tablescape. And on today I'm sharing with you my extravagant Easter tablescape. This table setting is filled with porcelain bunnies galore. And it's also filled with a lot of love. Hope that you will enjoy this tablescape, and I hope that you will be inspired. Happy Easter, everyone. So folks, this is it for me on today. I just want to share with you that I will have a resurrection tablescape coming up soon, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting the channel. I'm so glad that you came by to see what was going on here on Design to a T. If you have not yet subscribed, I suggest that you do so. I upload a video every Tuesday, and the settings are with different themes, of course, and I would love to have you come and join us. Thank you once again for all of those that are new subscribers and those that have been with me for a while now. I appreciate each and every one of you. I pray that you all will have an Easter holiday like never before. Don't forget that Jesus is the reason. God bless.